Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ada. Today I'm doing my nails. I'm going to show you guys how I do my gel nail. Since the pandemic, I have not been going to the nail shop, so I've been doing them myself. I bought everything I need to do them, so I'm going to show you how I do them, okay? So stay tuned, and if you are a first timer on my channel, thank you for visiting my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to me so you can see my future videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing and watching my videos. And please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and like my videos. Also, I need you to comment. Please make comments so that YouTube will know that you guys are liking my content and share it with other people. All right? So without further ado, let's get going. All right. Okay, guys, here's my nail station. So these are the things I'm going to need to do my nails. This is a UV lamp. I got that from Amazon, and here are the nail colors and all the things that I need to file my nails, to decorate, and all of that, okay? So everything's here. So let's get started. All right. So the first thing I do is I use the nail clipper and clip my nails. See? They're cut. So then I'm gonna file them with the nail file. I like them semi-round. I like them square and then rounded off. Yeah, it's nice to go to the nail shop, but it's also nice to know how to do it yourself, you know, because in situations like this, where we've had this pandemic, it's nice to be able to do it yourself, you know, and not have to go there and wear a mask the whole time, you know, because it takes a while for them to do your nails and your toes, and because usually when I go, I get both my nails and my toes done, and that takes a while. It takes about 2 hours. So I don't want to wear a mask for 2 hours, you know. So I'm like, let me just buy this stuff and do it myself. You know, it's not that hard. I mean, it's a lot nicer when somebody else is doing it for you. It's relaxing, you know, you get to just kick back and enjoy it and listen to them talk in their language. You know, all that stuff is nice and all that, but for now, I can do without all that. I can just be safe and do it myself. So when everything is back to normal, then I can go back. And I feel like that's how they make their living too. So even though I can now do it myself, I'll still patronize them when things return back to normal. But for now, safety first. So here, this is how they look. See? Yeah. So next thing I need to do is I need to push back the cuticles. So next I'm gonna use this and just push back my cuticles like that. Like, you know how when they do your nails, it looks so nice, and it looks very neat. It's because they kind of you know, push back your cuticles and then remove the excess skin. Okay, so that's done. Now I have to use the cuticle remover and remove the excess cuticle, or the cuticle cutter. They call it the cuticle cutter. So this stuff, I gotta use this stuff now to cut out the cuticle. So that's done. Okay, so I'm gonna use the file again and clean it out a little bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna file it some more, smoothing it. I'm supposed to use this brush and remove all the extra powdery stuff that I got from my nails. And okay, then I'm gonna use the nail cleaner. So I'm gonna use this stuff. Yeah, right here. It's called. Okay. So I use it and I clean my nails. Okay. It's kind of like alcohol, but it smells good. So after that, I use this to separate the nails. Okay, so I put this like this. The first thing I put on is the nail primer. Okay, so I applied the nail primer. First of all, let's decide which color I'm gonna wear. Okay. This peachy one. So I'm gonna go with this one, this color. Okay, okay. So they said to apply the primer. So I'm gonna apply the primer. This is the primer. Can y'all see that? So apply the primer. Next, I'm going to apply the base coat. So this is the base coat. I'm going to apply it. Okay, so I have to put my nails in here now for 60 seconds. Okay, so it's going to dry for 60 seconds. After that, then I have to apply the color. So 60 seconds. This thing has a timer, so it's going to time for 60 seconds. So waiting, waiting, waiting. It's a waiting game now. So after 60 seconds, then I apply the next coat. 60 seconds is up. Then I apply the actual nail polish, the gel nail polish. Okay? So here we go. I put it in here again. For 60 seconds. So after 60 seconds, another layer. Now I put another coat. Put another coat and then put it back in there, and that's it. 60 seconds. So this one is done. This one is ready. Look at, look. Look at that. All good to go. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's not very colorful. It's almost the same color as my skin. It's a natural color, a natural shade. I gotta put the top coat, okay? So here's the top coat. Gotta put my top coat to seal everything. And give it that shine that gel nail has. Okay, and then I put it in here again for 60 seconds. All right. Hey, I'm glad I remembered that. I would have missed a step. Y'all want to hear a funny story? I was watching, what was that, YouTube? I think it was a TikTok. And this guy, he made a TikTok video, and the joke was that he's getting divorced. And the reason he's getting divorced is because his family forgot his birthday. Okay, so the family forgot his birthday, his wife forgot his birthday, and his children forgot his birthday. Everybody forgot his birthday, so he was mad. So he went to work, and even his coworkers forgot it was his birthday. The only person that remembered was his boss. So his boss asked him out to lunch. Like, you want to go grab lunch? And he said yes. So they went to grab lunch. After grabbing lunch, she asked him if he wants to go to her house. And he said, yeah. So they went to her place. You want to go to my place? Sure. They went to her place. And then when they got there, they were in the living room, and she asked him to wait for her, that she's going to go change. So she went to her bedroom to change, and when she came out, he was butt naked, and she came out with his wife, his children, and his co-workers, because they were all at her house to surprise him. So that's why he's getting divorced, because he made a fool of himself. He thought the boss wanted him to, to sleep with her. So he got all butt naked, and, you guys get the joke, right? So yeah, isn't that a shame? I just try to imagine the look on his wife's face and his children and the co-workers. I mean, it must have been the most embarrassing moment of his life. Okay, so this one is ready. Okay, so now it's really ready. So now let's do the next one is, I'm gonna do the primer. I mean, I did the primer already. I'm gonna do the base coat. Okay, so base coat. Base coat. That is, okay guys, so that's my DIY gel nail. All right, so now you know. If you didn't know before, now you know how to do your own gel nail. So you can order this stuff from Amazon, and they'll send it to you, and you just, it has instruction manual there, and you just follow the instruction and do it. Okay, so I bought this separately. Okay, this came separately from another company, and then I bought this stuff that came with the nails, and all the rest of the stuff that I used came in a package. So yeah, you can buy that, and and then you can buy extra colors too if you like different colors. I just bought this one because it's just basic natural colors, but I'm gonna add more color, right? But I have the basic stuff that you need to do it. So thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, all right? And subscribe to me if you're not already subscribed, so you can see my future videos, and also comment